Hi, in this video, you'll be learning how to restore closed tabs in Chrome. How do you get to restore your closed tab in Chrome? This video will be guiding you through on how to do that. Just before we head straight into the video, you might want to stress you to please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, turn on the notification bell and do what to give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. 2. Restore closed tabs in Chrome. You need to head straight for the Chrome browser, and in the Chrome browser I'm going to use the three vertical dot to the top right hand corner. You click on that, it brings you to a side menu where you find recent tabs. You want to click on recent tabs, and the moment you click on recent tabs, it brings you to where you find all the tabs you've either mistakenly or intentionally closed, and you can just click on the one you want and you can restore it easily. Now from what I have here, I have 11 tabs mistakenly wiped off. So to restore that, all I just need to do is just click on the first option, and voila, all tabs are being restored. So basically, this is how you restore closed tabs in Chrome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and switch on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our recent updates, because we upload videos regularly. And also, do well to give us a thumbs up. I look forward to seeing other videos. Bye for now.